In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can export a video directly from Filmora to YouTube, right? So in your Filmora, click on the little export icon, right? And you'll see a drop down. Then select upload to YouTube. Then here, select login, provide your Gmail address and then select next. This is just a two-factor authentication. Just gonna say yes, it's me from my mobile phone. And then from here, you can just select the channel, then select continue, and then select all that applies, then scroll down and select continue. So now I can continue the export from Filmora. So let's go back to Filmora. So here now that my YouTube channel is checked, I'm going to select export and it's been uploaded directly to YouTube. So now let's go to my YouTube channel to check, right? I'm just going to check this from my YouTube studio and then delete the video. So this is the video that was uploaded. It was named my video. So if I select content, you should see it better, right? And that's it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.